taking the garden from this end so you can see, because I want to tell you something, guys. Listen, come, follow me. What you're looking at is callaloo, and they just started growing on their own, and I've left them to seed. But and that I want to show you. Look how this one pretty. Look how this one pretty. I never planted it, you know. Let me take out that seed. Should I leave? No. The seed, that's... no, me want it to grow prettier, because when it starts to seed, it get thin, you know. But another that I want to show you. I want to show you how the front garden get back its merit in a way. Come back after the caterpillar yam off the whole of the cabbage them. And look, take a look, step back and look. Isn't that beautiful? So I resurrected the garden, and the cabbages are looking fantastic. This is the Savoy cabbage. And what I love about the Savoy cabbage, you know, is when the water settles on top of the cabbage. It look beautiful, don't you? So it is growing. I use the net to cover them. So I will cover them back tonight, definitely. But as you can see, they're adorned with the marigolds, the African marigolds, which are making it to, you know, get rid of the flies and all the insects. But it's a fight. It's a fight, man. It's a fight. This is the Star Girl here, the most beautiful cabbage that I grow in my garden. One is at the back, and this one is at the front here, making it look really good. And this is some winter cabbages, which is not bad. They're folding up nicely. You know, you still see a little bit of the damage that the caterpillar do, but the most important thing, where this is covered, it's and I show you. Let me show you how I cover it up. Hold on. So this is a net that I use. I use this net to cover it over, and it prevents the insects and the predators them from, you know, touching on it. So now I have the drawstring. I'll draw that. It's one of those bags from the fruit bags from the shop, the local shop, Tesco, Aldi, any one of them. So that's how I cover it over. But for now, they're gonna stay out until later on. I'll cover them back up. I didn't get much corn, but there's a few corns over here. I'll take you over and show you. So I have a few corns left. So I'll have that corn. It's not bad, any. Not bad at all. Yeah, it's a nice big one here. So I don't think you have. I don't think you have a lot of. I don't think you have much corn on it, grains on it. Oh, I never get a lot of corn this year, but there's some you win some and you lose some. And then this is the great vegetable for the people who does foraging. It's called the goosefoot callaloo. It's sweet when it's cooked. Have a look. And it can grow, and they take over. They seed as well, you know. You get a lot of them all over the place. But yeah, the garden come back. Stand up and look at it from here, so the garden come back. Even if me have two little cabbage in it, it's not bad. I may have little flowers there, so garden come back, man. Garden come back. I am proud to say, you know, and I've allowed a lot of the callaloos to go to seed. So I will dry them and put them in a bag for next year. And this is another beauty. This is the red callaloo. So I will dry the seeds and keep them. They call it amaranth. And then there's another version of the callaloo here. So you got, look, you got 3 versions of the callaloo right. Isn't that beautiful? 3 versions of callaloo right along with the cabbages. Over here, I have planted a chocho across. So, another red callaloo. Beautiful. So there's a chocho coming up in my... Look. Oh, God, I have to break it down. Guys, this is my peony. My yellow peony tree. And I still have some nice flowers here. My zinnias. They're beautiful. Yep. And I've got the oil nut here growing as well. I've got 2 kinds. This one I start to bear it, but I got tomatoes. I got everything. And have a look at the Have a look at the sunflowers. Massive sunflowers is here. Yeah, sunflowers is here. So the garden not too bad. So we make it back. It's not as glorious as the back. 'Cause you know the back have a lot of peppers around there. This one all right. This one good, man. This one good. Good, 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 good. Beautiful. Every little thing has color. The color, the vibes, you know. And that's what we like. But yes, you can sit back and said yes. There's no love lost right here. They destroyed the garden, but we made it back. Simple. It's back. It's back. Just say it's back. The garden is back. All right, guys. Remember to like, share up the live. Hear me, share up the live. Share it up. Share it up. May people say, plant a seed. Put some love in your life right from your garden. It's a vibe. This will change your life, guys. This garden will change your life. Just sit back and have a look and see. Wow, beauty. It will change your life. It's back. Take care now.